Hey, Richard Beach here at NAMM 2015 with SonicState.com. I'm at the Dialtone Pickups booth down in Hawley, which is where all the fun happens, really. This is where all the cool little companies are. Is it your first time at NAMM?
So we actually went to summer NAMM, and this is our first winter NAMM.
All right, cool. Yeah, so a lot of the companies down here, a lot of them are at their first NAMM, and it's where you really get to discover exciting stuff, which is what we're going to do right now with Dialtone Pickups. This is what we're looking at, and John, can you just talk us through it?
Sure, yeah, my name's John Liptak. I'm the founder of Dialtone Pickups, and what we've actually done here is we've integrated tone control into the case of a pickup. So it gives you a lot more control over your sound than what you get from your regular tone knob, where you're actually just rolling things off and cutting out certain frequencies. So for us, this gives us the ability to actively control and tailor your sound. So the knob on the right here, or this knob, actually adjusts the resonant frequency of your pickup. So you can kind of adjust like where you want to, what sound you want to emphasize, and this will change the shape of the resonance, or Q value it's called. So between these, they work independently, and you're able to get a wide variety of tonal characteristics out of it. So we construct them all out of aluminum. So we machine aluminum cases, machined aluminum knobs. I'll show you the back as well. So it's an active pickup, and so this is the power connection, and then we actually are able to adjust the gain as well. So you can, if you want to run a fixed level, fixed output, you can put a jumper here. Also, since you have knobs to control tone on the body of the pickup, another option is to run a potentiometer out to the body of the guitar, and you can adjust your gain there. So at your fingertips, you'd have a lot of control over your tone and output level.
And a solderless kit as well, which is good for guys like me who aren't very good with the soldering iron.
Right, yeah, so we ended up ordering a bunch of custom components to be able to produce a solderless kit for folks that don't like to solder, make it easier to install.
Great. So let's hear it in action. We've got Brandon, who's going to play some bluesy stuff, I think. We're going through the Orange Dual Terror. Okay, cool. Thanks, man. That was awesome. And now we're going to hear something slightly different. So we've got Kyle coming in. Is that right? Is this Kyle? I struggle to remember names at now.
This is Kyle Davis.
Okay, cool. He's going to now play some heavier music. I assume that's what he's going to do anyway. It might be, but if you spin the camera around, you'll see why I thought it was going to be heavier music. And we've just gone into drop tuning as well. So I guess what we're trying to display here is that it works for blues, metal. Okay, cool. Let's hear it. That's cool. So, you guys are obviously a relatively new company then.
Right.
Do you know when the pedals are going to be available to the market? I guess you guys are meeting distributors and stuff like that here at NAMM.
Right. So we met a lot of great people here at NAMM. So we're actually we're pre-ordering the product now. It's going to be available in general at the end of February.
Oh, really? Okay, that's quite soon. And obviously, we've seen the model we've seen is aluminium covered pickup. Is that right?
Yep, so all of our pickups are made with machined aluminum cases, so we have different finish options.
So we can have like, if you've got a guitar with black pickups or a black guitar, you can get black ones. I think you can get white ones as well.
You get black anodized, clear anodized. Okay. Also, we have plating options too if you want something that's more chrome or gold.
Okay, cool, awesome. Well, thanks very much for talking to us, John.
Great, thanks for your time.
And thanks to the guys who have played for us here as well. And lastly, but not leastly, that doesn't make any sense. Last but not least, thanks to the guys who are watching at home. If you've been watching our NAMM videos, we really appreciate it. And find more of them at sonicstate.com/amp. Thank you and good day.